Hi guys! Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm coming today with December's ice cream box. If you're not familiar with the ice cream box, it's $25 a month, and that includes shipping, and you're guaranteed a pallet in every box. Now, they do have a bag too that I used to get, but I started not getting as much. Let me see if I can, there we go. I started not getting it because things were piling up, but I think after the first year I probably will get it again. But that is $12.50, and you pay, I believe it's $4 for shipping on that. And with that, you are guaranteed at least 3 items, and one is a pallet. So, without further ado, you get a card saying everything that's in the box, and you can either freeze frame it, or I usually type it all down below anyway. And this is what it looks like, and I usually take out the peanuts before I get here, but I do have these handy dandy little Christmas baggy things right here, so I will just put them in here, hopefully without getting them all over my house, because that's what usually happens when I do it that way. It's really snowing outside. I did take film of it. I'll put it in here somewhere, close to the end of the thing, but it's really snowing out. Look at all that snow, guys. It's really coming down now. It's snowing hard. It's supposed to snow till about 10 o'clock too, so it should be interesting. It should be interesting. And I have to run next door and give that woman, she has a daycare, and she has five kids, and I had exactly 5 cupcakes left. Well, don't I feel like a heel? But I think I have something that I can give to her and her kids, so, because her kids live there too, so. But anyway, let's get started on our goodies. Let's see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 today. Okay. Let's see. It says, December, happy holidays. Okay, let's just do, we're going to start with this one. Mini lip set by Ophra Cosmetics. And they look like that. And the value is $20. And there, if you take them out, they look like that. And these are minis, which I kind of like minis because you can kind of play with this and play with that and, you know, see what looks good, what doesn't. And this is Winwood. Is that what that says? I believe that's what it says. This one is Winwood. And I'll just do these on the back of my hand, if I can get them open. And they have the regular little doe feet. It's kind of an angle. That's that color. But you can tone these down too, you know, mix them out. Okay. And then we have, what is this one? Upside down. This is, wait a minute. Upside down. Adventura. It's Ventura Highway with an A on top. There's that color. It's kind of a brownish color. And you know, you can just blend it out and that makes it a little bit more purplish. I really gotta stop doing this. And this one is Miami Fever, and that's that color. There it is at full strength. And there it is at blended strength. Then this one is Sanibel. And that's that color. And when we mix that out, that's the color it is. So there's all of them blended out. Okay, let me put these back in here so I don't lose them. Because I do things like that. Okay, there we go. And as I said, it's $20. Don't want to lose this. Okay, then we have Zeesea. What are you, Zeesea? Sometimes it's easier to see on here. Sometimes. Cream white liquid. That's not it. Nope, that's this one. Okay, hold on. Okay, this is Angel Highlighter by Zeesea Cosmetics and the British Museum. $26, and that's what that looks like. If I can get, that's what that looks like. Okay. And it has a wrap around it. I see it, but I'm not exactly how sure to undo it. I'm not exactly sure how to undo it. I don't really do good at this. And our craft show, we had a decent turnout, but I have to be honest, the adult turnout, usually between 4 and 7, we have quite an adult turnout. And we really didn't have that big of turnout this year. So I made a couple $100 in cakes and cookies, etc. But last year I made $300, so. Oh, this is nice packaging. This is what it looks like. Did I tell you how much that was? I don't think I did. This is what it looks like. And it is $26. Who knows if I told you or not. I kind of now think I did. And it has a mirror on it. And I'm just going to leave the protector on it. See, it has an angel there embossed in it. Isn't that cute? I love it when they do that little added touch. I know they charge more, but see, there it is. It's upside down there, but see, there it is. There it is. I mean, I know they charge more, but it just, but then you hate to use them because you don't want to mess them up. It's crazy. I got to look at little Char's washing color. Little, she's a teenager. She's 13 or 14. Got to look at her Christmas list for makeup. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then we have these. These are lip liners. And let's see. Let me get this off. Now it's done. It quit snowing for a minute. I was all excited at them big old flakes. Went and got my plates this morning. So that one is right here and here. I just kind of put it in the middle to see what it would go with. I don't know. I kind of put it up to each one of them, but we shall see. And these are, who makes these? Lip Perfection. Lip liner Duo by Be Bella Cosmetics, and it's $6. Now, I don't know if that's $6 a piece or if it's $6 together, but usually it's together. And then here's the other color. Did I open this? No, I didn't open this one yet. Did I get it? No. No. Oh. Is Christmas over? Oh, I just threw. Is Christmas over yet? Now, this is the perfect match for that one. Let's see if it's a perfect match for that one. Yeah, you could use it for that one too. So this matches these two. I don't know about this one. Yeah, you could use it in that one too. So yeah. So let's see what I did with the, oh, here's the lid. Oh. Okay, guys. So this is what I've decided to do about the big Temu haul. Since I'm still waiting for the last package and it should be here tomorrow, I'm just going to go ahead and do that Friday. And I put in another huge order, and we're just going to start doing them by huge orders. And hopefully after the first year, I can get them consecutive every week like that. But until then, it's going to be kind of spotty. Because, you know, it takes them 2 weeks. Oh, I don't know if I showed you these straight on. So I'm going to see if I can do that real fast. And that's what these look like. Let's see if I can get that one and that one. There you go. And that's what they look like. I knew I'd get around to it. Okay, then this is Cream White Liquid Liner from Zeesea Cosmetics. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. I believe this is eyeliner. Okay. And this is what that looks like. Did I show you the box? I don't know if I showed you the box, but that's the box. And here is what it looks like. And then you have a little strip on here to make sure nobody... There you go. Now I got it. And that is what that looks like. As you can see, very, very white. And it comes like that. And I kind of can see a whole lot of cool ways that could work. You know, even if you just want to like draw on your face. You know, you're just a butterfly. You know, it'd be really good for stuff like that. So that's that. And it was valued at $24. Then lastly we have Hearth Palette by Chantico Beauty, and it's a $40 value. And this is what that looks like. Okay. And these are the colors. I'm going to leave that under. It has a mirror, but I'm going to put it down under so you can't see that. And they are dry mouth. Ooh, look at that. I just love that shade. But look at it. See, I think they're buildable too, so yeah. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? Let's try this other one. There's that one. And that's one pass. We'll try two. Yeah, there's two. I don't know what the color of this one actually is, so I'm going to go right here. Now see, this one just seems to be a little, see? There's that. And if you look, yeah. Okay. Now we can do, oh, we didn't do this one. Well, let's just do this one then. That's that color. And it's like a rose gold. Now we can do these mats. Let's do these mats. One of these is going to clean that. Okay. There's matte. 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 The light doesn't want to come off. It went on, but it wouldn't come off. There's that. Ooh, that looks like baby shit. My sister loves that color too, and I do not like it. And there's those colors. And let's see, what else did I do? Oh, I didn't do these bottom three. So we'll do those real fast. I'm going to do these. I'll do them up here. 1, 2, 3. I may want to do those again. They didn't really go on very good. Okay, we'll do 1, 2. Yeah, they are all buildable. Look at my hand. They are all buildable, and I just adore these. I just adore them. So yeah, that is December's ice cream box. Now this is my favorite makeup box, and it is always makeup heavy. So if you have that younger girl who's trying to experiment, this is what I always recommend. This right here. Because, yeah, occasionally they have face care, but it's not heavy. And, let me put this back away before I mess it up. It's every month. Yeah, and I have had months where we've gotten 7 items in it. So, you know, they say 5 to 7 items, and they've held true to that. And as I was saying about the big Temu order, it will be this Friday, because I still have one more package to come in. And so I thought, well, I'm just going to do them all, and we're just going to give you a big old punch right before Christmas, and then hopefully after the first year we can start getting them coming in regularly again. So come on back, join us, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, you know. Bye.